you're looking for an additional way to earn money, consider selling Canva templates. This can be a fantastic way to generate income while doing something creative and enjoyable. But how exactly do you create and sell templates? How much can you earn? In this video, we'll answer these questions and more. So grab your coffee or tea and let's dive in. Canva templates are pre-designed layouts that users can easily customize to meet their needs. Selling these templates is a great way to earn passive income by leveraging Canva's features. Just search for Canva templates on Etsy and you'll find numerous stores offering these designs, showcasing the high demand in this market. Who benefits from Canva templates? Bloggers, online course creators, trainers, and small business owners often use templates for social media, ebooks. Templates like invoices, thank you cards, logos, planners, and stickers are also popular among small businesses, administrative professionals, and even individuals looking to stay organized. The demand for Canva templates spans across various industries and niches, making it an exciting business opportunity. For those unfamiliar with Canva, it's a user-friendly graphic design platform perfect for creating professional visuals, even if you have no design experience. Canva offers an extensive library of templates and tools, making it easy to create stunning graphics for social media. You can even design presentations and marketing materials with ease. The platform provides free templates and tools, but if you prefer to get creative, you can start from scratch and build your own unique designs. Watch this video if you want to know how to create data comparisons videos with AI and Canva.